So it's a weak start. It was expected to be a weak start. The breadth is now getting painfully poor. I won't use the word there are excruciating falls in any of the names here, but yes, the market breadth I think is just painfully poor. Not everything is on the butcher block, but the stocks which really matter for a lot of trading audience, they are not really showing any signs of bottoming out. Yes Bank, Suzlon, Vodafone Idea. These are three stocks which you always look at in terms of judging the price action. Yes Bank has gone to sub 20. Suzlon is gone to 58. It's not close to what we saw in terms of the COVID lows. That was like a scary number. And Vodafone Idea, last I saw it was 9 rupees. I don't think it must have recovered from there yet. Oh, it's 7.5. 20 rupee stock has become 7.5 for a company which got a lot of equity capital and the debt problems have been taken care of. Trent is down, Ultratech is down, Aisha Motor is down, M&M is down, Maruti is down, BPCL is down. So it is a sea of red, I'm afraid. Just cannot sugarcoat the broader fall and the kind of numbness what we are seeing in large cap stocks now.
Yeah, absolutely. I want to check in on Manappuram as well, given that Bain Capital reportedly is exploring a controlling stake purchase. Manappuram moves up about almost 1% in trade. Varun Beverages as well, they're acquiring 100% of PepsiCo's bottler operations in Tanzania and Ghana in Africa for an enterprise value of about 1940 odd crore rupees. That's a big mover, about 1.5% higher right now in trade. There's Nykaa. The margins as well as the PAT have been a miss for Nykaa, although the overall GMV has seen an uptick of about 24%. Nykaa has actually gapped up in trade. It's holding up about 4.5%. The EBITDA as well has seen a move of an uptick of 29%, although it's fallen a little bit short on what the street was penciling in. But Nykaa has been so beaten down that the move on this one is looking a little bit exaggerated right now, 180 plus levels on this one. BSE, the Q2 EBITDA has seen an uptick of 37% on a sequential basis, driven by lower than expected OPEX, so look out for that as well. For Bosch too, the operating performance is coming in line. Samvardhana Motherson, we just highlighted the outlook is positive after a miss on the earnings, and they're stating that they're looking at improving their margins in the second half of the financial year. So look out for what that stock does. There's of course PTC India as well. Volumes have seen an uptick of 40%. Profits have been seeing an uptick of 13%. Repco Home as well, wherein the NIMs have come in at a 37-quarter high. Loan growth has come in at 8%. Repco Home Finance, almost a 5% uptick on this particular stock. PTC India as well, wherein the volumes have seen an uptick of 40% and profits have risen 13%. There's Ion Exchange, EMS, all these companies have delivered a decent set of numbers. In the meantime, PNC Infra, Cello World, Sula, by the way, is a weak set of numbers. Weak second quarter, margins drop of 710 basis points and volume downtick also of a good 8%. Sula is currently cracking by about 5.5% as we speak right now in trade. But yep, all eyes are going to be on Swiggy. There's that PNB housing block deal as well, and Carlyle was to be the likely seller in this one and was looking at offloading about almost 9.4% equity. That block deal has happened. But Naresh, what are the first trades that you're punching in? It's a quiet start, but with a negative bias.
So expecting some bit of a bounce back going forward in Reliance Industries from this 1260, 1270 mark. So that's a trade with a very strict stop loss at 1250.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.